Welcome back to Simply Filters. Today, we're talking about something everyone deals with, especially once the weather starts flipping back and forth. Sick season. And honestly, it's also filter season. Let me explain why. Every winter and early spring, my house just feels stuffier. More coughing, more sneezing, everyone passing something around. But one thing people forget is that your filter works overtime right now. When the air inside your home stays shut in, your filter becomes the one thing that's actually catching all the stuff you do not want floating around. Think of it like this. If your home is a snow globe and the air is constantly swirling around, your HVAC filter is the net catching everything before it goes back into your lungs. In sick season, that snow globe fills up faster. Dust, pollen, bacteria, pet dander, it all builds up and your filter gets packed quicker. A lot of people say they don't need to swap their filters until the 3-month mark. But during sick season, that rule gets messy. If you are running the heat more, have kids, pets, or allergies, your filter can clog way before that mark. When it clogs, your system works harder. And when it works harder, it pushes dusty air around instead of clean air. Changing your filter more often this time of year is one of the simplest ways to keep your home feeling fresher and to help everyone breathe easier. It's truly one of the easiest habits you can build. I'm Miranda, and I hope this helps you understand why sick season really is filter season. Before you go, tell me in the comments what month your home usually starts feeling stuffy. And check out our TikTok and Facebook for giveaways and more quick home tips.